Hey sir, future engineer. Today, I'm reacting to this MATLAB video, what control systems engineers do. I watched the whole thing and now I'm breaking down my honest thoughts and onward. So, yeah. So, my key takeaways are being a control systems engineer is not just designing a controller, but it's also turning. Ah! Hinay, please! Hey sir, future engineer here, and I'll be reacting to the video you sent. What control systems engineers do. So I watched the whole video, and now I'm breaking down my honest thoughts in my own words. My key takeaways are being a control systems engineer is not just designing a controller and turning gains all day. It's also a project journey. So in the concept phase, you have turned a vague need into something real, like using quick models decide whether a drone or satellite is better for tracking beach erosion, checking cost, power, performance, and everything else. So, and then you work with system engineers to write solid requirements, build detailed models and simulations, as well as implementing the code, testing it virtually and on real hardware. And even after launch, you're still fixing anomalies and training users. So, it's really a very long process, especially in the testing phase. So the big theme is model-based design. So modeling and simulation let you catch problems early and iterate super fast. It's way more collaborative and exciting than I expected. And this video was helpful in helping me understand the subject 100%. So in school we only learn theory like Laplace, transform, stability analysis, controllers, but this video showed the actual day-to-day job and how everything connects in real projects. Like what you did in our first meeting. So it made control systems feel real and doable instead of just abstract math, and I finally understand why companies use tools like MATLAB and Simulink. That's why very many companies are also like searching, as you said, very many companies are searching for many people who are well versed in MATLAB because of this skill. And as a future engineer, the coolest insights are gained is that modeling isn't just for homework, it's also your superpower to test crazy ideas without building crazy, expensive prototypes first. Yeah. So simulate una before doing so. Communication and teamwork are just as important as the math because you're constantly working with mechanical software and system teams. Your work also actually stays with the product forever. And you're still involved years later fixing issues or improving it, maybe even recalling. That long-term impact sounds incredibly rewarding. So this video honestly made me more excited to specialize in control systems. Overall, this is a very much watch for any engineering student or CE students. Thank you.